I really love FLS. This is a great school and I enjoy my time being here. People are really nice to me and they try to do everything to make me a successful student so I can learn more.
Students work very hard here at FLS. The teachers make it very interesting. The classes are very dynamic. And we incorporate a lot of authentic materials into our learning as well. Not just what you might see in the textbook, but what you might see outside of the textbook as well.
Classes have great equipments like smart boards, and we have hot sheets that give us movies or songs that we could use to improve our English. Also, because it's not a too big school, we can get a lot of attention and they take care of each case.
I see all the advantages here in America and especially in Boston. I'm preparing for SAT and TOEFL exams, so now I have tutors for both of those exams. So I think FLS really helps me with improving my English.
The interaction between the teacher and the student always grows. Our classes are usually smaller, so it allows everyone to talk and it allows everyone to participate. We always have a big mixture of students from many different countries, and it always makes conversations about culture, makes class a lot more fun.
About the people, I feel really happy because you can make a lot of friends and you really can find here a really nice people. So I'm really happy.
Yeah, I really feel comfortable, because I always talk to my homestay and they always give me a chance to talk to, hey, good morning, how are you, how was your day, So it's really good. I really feel comfortable there. I feel like I'm at home,
Students like FLS for the variety of programs that we offer. They also have a lot of flexibility in customizing their classes the way that they need that. If they need something for, let's say, TOEFL or to prepare them for university, they have the flexibility to add that program very easily and even change it month by month.
My favorite thing about FLS might probably be the fact that in the end we get to know everybody and we get to learn about many different cultures. I feel like we are like a small family.